Hey guys, hello, what's up? Welcome back to another amazing video of Technical Zone. You are watching Technical Zone and I am Umar, and today's video is also going to be awesome like all our other videos. Today we are going to know about Scratch. It is the part 11 of our Scratch series, and today we are going to have a look at more blocks. And let's see what we will do after more blocks, because it is a very small topic. So we are going to quickly cover it, and it is going to be an awesome experience, I guarantee you, because I am going to make this part very easy to understand. So it is going to be basically fun. Without wasting any time, now let's quickly begin. But before beginning, guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also to comment. So okay, let's begin. Now, more blocks are dark purple, you can say dark purple color coded blocks. And more blocks, if you see the more blocks menu, then you are having two buttons, make a block and add an extension. So make a block, it will help you to make a block, and let me show how. When you will click on this button, it will give you this option. Now what you have to do, basically you have to type the name of your block. In my case, I want the name to be TZ, which will stand for Technical Zone. And then I want add number input, okay, and then add string input. You can do add boolean input, add label text. But guys, if you will go on this drop down and you will see this, then you will notice that these things are useless, because we are going to define everything. Basically guys, I have to tell you the function of more block and what will happen when I will make this block TZ. So let's make a simple block. I will click on OK, and you can see define TZ, this will come and this will also come. Now what is this? So let's find out. Define what the custom block will do. So whatever block which you have made, like I have made TZ, and you would be given this block like purple color big sized block, define dash whatever you have made, define TZ. Then basically what you can do, you can make a script. So let's quickly make move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees, repeat 10 times. So we have made a small script. So this is our script, and then we are going to put this under this. So you can see the task is taking place properly. Now what we have done, we have defined that what is the function of TZ block. We have created TZ block over here. Now what is the function of TZ block? Function of TZ block is to move 10 step, turn 15 degrees clockwise, and this has to be repeated 10 times. This is the function of TZ block. And now if I am making a script and I am writing move 650 steps, and if edge comes then bounce. So I'm just if one edge bounce, and then I am putting over here TZ. So let's see what will happen. So actually what is happening is the sprite is moving 650 steps, then if one edge is coming, then it is bouncing, and then TZ block is coming into action, which is actually repeat 10 times, move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees. So we have defined what is the role of TZ block. This is our custom block. So basically this is the thing. And now let's keep this aside and let's make a block in which we are going to add number input. So you basically nothing to tell in this. You can add a number input, you can add a string input, add boolean input. So let's just take an example of number input. We are going to write over here like again we are going to write TZ, but this time we are going to write TZ2 so that we can differentiate. And then okay, we are going to click on, you are having over here define TZ2 number. And then what you can do is you can basically just know the function of number. Let's quickly come and click on the question mark. Define block is coming. Actually I think that, let's find out, it must be there. So basically guys, there is no definition given of this block, but let me quickly tell that what is the function. Now you have made a block with a number input, and now what we are going to do, like we are going to make another script. And what difference is going to be, after all these things take place, go to mouse pointer, repeat 10 times. Now this is TZ2, and now what we are going to do is we are going to use the TZ2 script, and you can see what is going to happen. It's reduce it to 80, and then let's put it at the center over here, and then we are going to run this. So you can see what is happening is that TZ2 is coming into action, but only one time. If I want, I can increase the frequency, the number of times TZ2 will come into action from 1 to 3, or maybe 33, or maybe 333. So it depends on you. Now whatever I am going to do will be repeated. So I'm just putting it over here, move 80 steps. So it is moving 80 steps. If one edge bounce, then this thing is happening 10 times. So this is basically the thing. And now I think it's fine, it's crystal clear. Add an extension, guys, then we are having, but for this you would be requiring hardware, pico board, lego vdo 1.0, lego vdo 2.0. Basically it is going to be knowledge which will rarely, or you will rarely use this, so we are going to skip out add an extension because it is of no use. And the other thing, you will require hardware in this case, so I have to purchase a pico board and all, so let's leave it. Basically now make a block is clear, that it helps to make a block. It will give you with a defined dash. You have to just write what is the function of that block, and then you can use it wherever you want. You can also add numbers over here and a number of more things like tz this. You can read out the definition over here, it is for you only. And if your block has an input, you can type in it. To edit the block, right click, control plus click on Mac on the block and choose edit from the menu. So let's see, you can choose edit from here, and then you can edit whatever you want. Like after making the block, you realize that you need string input also, or after that you realize that you need label text also, so you can do. Basically you are clicking on OK, and then you just have to, I'm closing it, and let's quickly make a block. I'm editing this block, tz3 edit. I'm putting a number input, then I'm putting string input, like I'm having a number of inputs, then I'm doing OK. Now you can see it has changed, so you can edit after making it also. It is going to be very simple. Now let's move to data block, and it is also going to be very easy, I guarantee. So we are going to do something very simple. Let's first remove it. So now make a variable. You can make a variable over here, and you can give a name, like I'm giving tz. This time z is in small case. Set tz to 0. Basically now a tz variable has been created, and if you will, it will report the value of tz. It is a variable which will come over here. If you will untick, then it will get vanished. So I'm just putting it over here so that you can see it easily. Now tz will report what is the value of it. Set tz to 0 you can do, or if you are having a number of more, then the list will appear over here. From 0 you can do 9, and then you can click. So basically what it will do is it will change the value from 0 to 9. I'm just writing 9. Set tz to 9, and now it will report 9. Then change tz by 1, which means add 1 to tz, or you can do add change tz by 10 or 100 or 1000 or 10,000. Value depends on you. And if you want to decrease it, then minus sign, then whatever you want to type. And this is going to be very easy, basically to add or subtract. Then you can do one more thing, show variable tz. You can click over here so that you can see it. Then hide variable you can do. So this is basically the function show, hide. Change tz by 1, it will add. And then you can set tz to a particular number also, like from 2 you want to set to 100, so you can do. So this is clear, and I'm just clicking over here, set tz to 0, then 1. You can see 1 2 3 4 it is taking place. This is the function basically. So then we are having make a list, and now we are going to make a list for all sprites, and name is going to be tz, but in this case z will be capital. So I'm clicking on OK, and it is being created. Now it will report what is there inside this list. For like currently there is nothing inside the list. This is the reason you are not able to see anything inside this list. And yeah, you can add objects over here, like I'm typing 4 over here, then I'm clicking on report. Now it is reporting 4. So I'm telling then that what is a list actually. tz reports all the items in the list. So I'm just telling you, add thing to tz will add a thing to tz. You can change from thing to 98 or 97 or 96. Now it is adding 97. So these are objects of a list. From here you can directly name the objects. This is the fun. Delete 1 from tz. Now it will keep on deleting. You can specify last or all, or you can create more than one. So I'm creating one more, like 56. So now 2 are there. Add thing, now you are having 2 lists over here. This is basically the function. Now if you want add thing to 56, it will keep on adding thing to 56. If you want to replace thing from a number, then again you can do delete 1 from 56 will delete 1 from 56. You can increase the number, or you can decrease the number, or you can write last, or you can write all. So it depends on you. And then what we are having is insert thing at 1. So it will insert at beginning. So what I'm doing is I'm changing to tz, insert thing at 1. So you can see thing is coming at the top, but if I will do like from here, then you can see 56 in tz, then it will be added it would be added at the bottom. So you can insert it at the top also with the help of insert thing at 1, or you can specify the number, or random you can also do. Then you are having replace item 1 of 56 with the thing. So item you can do last. Now you can see 56 will be I'm coming on tz, and then you can see 56 has been replaced by thing. This is the function you can replace. You are having last over here, you are having random over here, you are having one over here. Random, you can choose any random one. It has chosen and replaced with thing. Then you are having item 1 of 56, so it will report item 1 of 56. I am doing of tz, so and then I am doing over here last, or you can say random, so it is reporting thing, again thing. Then you can see 97 is coming, then it will report a random. And then after this we are having length of 56. Length of 56 is 4 because 4 objects are there in tz, or in 56 also there are 4. Then 56 contains thing, true. So is 56 having a thing? Yeah, the thing is true, 56 is having a thing. But if I will write 56 contains maybe I am writing a name, Sam. So 56 contains Sam, question mark, false. No Sam is there, no object name Sam is there in the list 56, so it will report false. Show list 56 you can do, it will make it visible for you. You can hide list 56. This is the thing, and now we are ready. So basically I think so that it was very easy to understand more blocks and data block. More blocks, my personal suggestion is that you are going to use more blocks when you would be making very lengthy codes in Scratch, which we will do when we would be making games. So it will be helpful there. Add an extension will be rarely helpful. In data, make a variable you are going to use a lot. It is going to be amazing because you will use this to calculate score in games. This will also be helpful in game development, making of a variable. Then making of a list is also going to be helpful in the game development of Scratch, which I think I would be making a dedicated series. And overall, now we are heading towards the end of explanation part, and very soon we are going to start up with like work of making things in Scratch. That's all for this video, guys. Please take care, stay safe, and bye.